Hello everyone. In this lecture we will discuss the introduction and the mathematical definition of a matrix. First we will discuss the concept of a matrix with an example. Suppose we wish to express the information that student A has 20 pens, then we may express it as. Now, if we have to express that student A has 20 pens and 10 pencils, then we may express it as. Again, suppose that student A has 20 pens, 10 pencils and 5 rubbers. Then we may express it as. Now, let us suppose that there are 3 students A, B and C, and the number of pens, pencils and rubbers possessed by each student are given as. Now, arranging these numbers in the order in which they are given and enclosing them in square brackets, we get a rectangular array of the form. This rectangular array is an example of a matrix. In this example, there are 9 numbers and these numbers are called elements of matrix. In matrix, numbers are written in 3 horizontal lines and 3 vertical lines. In matrix theory, horizontal lines are called rows and vertical lines are called columns. The numbers in this matrix represent the quantity of each item possessed by each student. For example, student B has 3 pencils, student A has 5 rubbers, student C has 6 pens and so on. Now we will discuss mathematical definition of a matrix. A set of mn numbers arranged in the form of a rectangular array of m rows and n columns enclosed in square brackets or parentheses is called a m by n matrix. Here we will read it as m by n, not m multiplied by n. In matrix, numbers may be digits, symbols, functions, or expressions. Following are some examples of matrices. Here, matrices is plural of the word matrix. First example, in matrix A, there are 6 elements which are written in 2 rows and 3 columns. Second example, in matrix N, there are 4 elements which are written in 2 rows and 2 columns. Third example, in matrix P, there is only one element which is written in 1 row and 1 column. So in this lecture, we discussed the introduction and mathematical definition of a matrix. In the next lecture, we will discuss order of a matrix. If you have any query, any question or any suggestion, please write in comment box.